Greetings, everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what's new in Act Premium Cloud in September of 2024. So, if you want to find out what's new, what's offered, what's changed, when you open up Act Premium Cloud, you'll notice that on the left-hand side, there is an option that says Welcome. If for some reason this area is minimized, click on the four little squares. Once you're inside the Welcome area, on the right-hand side, it says What's New. There's a new mobile app for Act Premium Cloud users. And also, if you go down a little bit, you'll see What's New in Act Premium Cloud. Click on the link that says See What's New. When I do that, I'm going to be taken inside. And what's really interesting about Act Premium Cloud is as you look at all the things that have been updated, you'll notice that in many months, almost twice a month, there are things that are being updated. So there's information here about product announcements. If you go down a little bit further, there's release notes. So you'll see this is constantly being updated behind the scenes. And that's one of the things I really like about Act Premium Cloud. If you have any questions about Act Premium Cloud or anything related to Act, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye now.